God, He don't love any man more than righteousness. The best thing where God love is righteousness. And who sleepeth himself to righteousness, because he loves righteousness, he will love you. No man can say, Jesus loved me well, and continue his sin, and God say they love you. Not be God. Now I do. Now they love you. Lucifer, now they appear to you. You cannot say you are committing adultery and fornication, and you are telling people God is with me. God is not with you. Now Lucifer, now he's there with you. He's using you for a business, and when the time reach, you will follow him.